Have you ever felt that learning English is impossible because you studied in your native school? If your answer is yes, then this video is for you. English is just a language, but many of us believe it's out of reach. To break this myth, watch the conversation between Arjun and Divya shares the tricks she used to achieve fluency. If you're serious about learning English, watch this video till the end without skipping. But before that, if you're here, make sure to hit the subscribe button. I promise, if you stay consistent, you'll see remarkable Hi Divya, it's so nice to see you after so long.
Hey, Arjun. Yes, it's been a long time. How are you?
I'm okay, but honestly, I've been feeling really low lately.
Why? What happened?
I've been trying to learn English, but I feel like it's impossible. I studied in a Tamil medium school, and I just can't speak like others. My confidence is gone.
Arjun, I studied in a Tamil medium school too.
What? No way! Your English is so good. Everyone thinks you studied in an English medium school.
No, I didn't. I struggled a lot in the beginning. Just like you, I thought English was not for people like me. I used to be scared to speak even one sentence.
Then how did you become so fluent? Did you take classes?
No, I couldn't afford classes. I learned it all by myself, step by step, slowly.
Seriously? How did you even start?
It started when I got my first job. In the office, everyone spoke in English. I felt left out in meetings. Even if I had good ideas, I stayed silent because I didn't know how to say them in English.
That must have been tough.
It was. One day I realized, if I don't learn English, I'll always be in the background. That's when I decided to do something about it.
But where did you begin?
I started with listening. I listened to English every day, YouTube videos, English movies, podcasts. In the beginning, I didn't understand anything. But I kept listening. Every day, slowly, my ears got used to the sound.
Didn't you feel frustrated?
Of course, many times I wanted to quit. But I reminded myself, even if I understand just one word today, it's better than nothing. After some time, I started understanding simple sentences.
Wow. What did you do after that?
Next, I started reading simple English books and news articles. If I didn't understand a word, I looked it up. I also wrote small paragraphs about my day to practice writing.
What about speaking? That's the hardest part for me.
Yes, speaking is the hardest. I was scared too. I used to talk to myself in the mirror. I repeated sentences, practiced small conversations. At work, I slowly started speaking in English with my colleagues, even if I made mistakes.
Weren't you afraid people would laugh?
Yes, I was. But I realized something important. If I don't speak, I'll never learn. Some people corrected me, and that helped me improve. I stopped worrying about being perfect.
That's really inspiring, Divya. So you didn't use any special method?
No magic. Just one thing. Consistency. I practiced a little every day. Listening, reading, writing, speaking. Again and again.
So you're saying even someone like me can do it?
Yes, Arjun. You just need to believe that it's possible. Language learning takes time. It's not about being perfect. It's about not giving up.
I've always thought I was too late, that I missed my chance.
No one is ever too late. You're just in the middle of your journey. Trust the process. Start small, stay regular, and you'll see results.
You've really changed my thinking, Divya. From today, I'll stop saying I can't and start saying I'm learning.
That's the spirit. And remember, I'm here to help. We can practice English together if you want.
I'd like that. Thank you, Divya. You've given me hope.
You can do it, Arjun. One step at a time. If you find this video helpful, show your support by hitting the subscribe button. It would mean the world to me and inspire me to create more useful videos. Thanks for watching.